Better bring it over here. You've been pretty good at that. Can you bend it like Beckham? Very good. Very good. Uh-oh. Hey, it's starting to rain. Good. Take it in the house. Take it in the house. No, not under there. Take it in the house. All right. You feel those little raindrops? Yeah, you don't care. Why do you always put it in the corner, Gracie? Where I can't get it. All right. All right. All right. All right. What's this? Oh, I heard that. You almost got it. Okay. No, don't bark at me. Just... All right, I think that's enough. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough.